So Texas family courts, and those are courts of specific jurisdiction, like in the bigger counties, Bexar County, Travis County, Harris County, Dallas, and Tarrant County. And courts of general jurisdiction follow the requirements of the Texas Family Code when it comes to temporary restraining orders, and not necessarily Texas rules of civil procedure, which apply in general in family court settings, except where the family code is more specific. So, that basically means that in a family court setting, the more specific statute controls. The Texas Family Code has its own statutes regarding temporary restraining orders, what must be presented in order to be entitled to that relief, the kind of notices, etc. Also, you got to be cognizant of local county rules, standing orders, things of that nature. Dallas and Kaufman and Rockwall and Collin all have standing orders, and some of those counties also have local rules regarding notice to the opposing side. Tarrant County, for that fact, says you have to give at least several hours notice. Some other counties are like that. Dallas County is one of those counties. So if you're in one of these larger counties, you got to be cognizant of standing orders, local rules, and the Texas Family Code and the Texas Rules of Civil Procedure, and how all four of those may work in conjunction with the requirements of giving notice for an application for a temporary restraining order. Now, temporary restraining orders are generally sought, if they're sought at all, to protect one side of divorce from abuse or family violence. And that's the most common way that these types of relief are sought. I'm going to focus on family violence protective orders and temporary restraining orders for the purpose of this. And there's a whole lot of other things that TROs can be used for. In other words, to stop financial harm, draining of joint marital asset accounts, retirement accounts, things of that nature. So you can get emergency ex parte relief. And just for those of you who don't know what that means, ex parte means without the other side present. And you can get a temporary restraining order to prevent the other side from doing X, Y, or Z. And in that example I just gave about a financial harm, the court, on a showing of good cause, can grant that temporary emergency relief and issue an order stopping the other side from draining that joint retirement account or diminishing the marital estate in some manner. But again, that's really not the purpose or the focus of this video topic. So, but bear in mind that that's certainly one of the things that can be addressed in an ex parte temporary restraining order.